We're opening sneaker mini brand. We got 32 to collect. Now, open it. Satisfying pull. Where's the satisfying pull? Guys. Wow, satisfying. Satisfying. I'm using the Spy Ninja. I'm using the Spy Ninja technique. Spy Ninja technique. What is inside? Oh guys! This... What is two inside? Two stickers and this one. Daddy! Ito lang ang daddy oh. Daddy ito. Tingnan mo.
Tawag mo ito mga stickers.
Ito, dalawa lang yung naman ko. Guys, this one.
May box yan, di ba?
Oo, ito. Guys, this is the thing we need to collect. All of these. All of these, guys, is so hard to collect. These and these now. What I'm gonna open? These first. What that I'm gonna open? What that? This is so. What is this? Right? What is this? We got this one.
May sombrero, ang ganda.
Dalawa lang.
Dalawang sombrero?
Dalawa lang yung laman.
Walang shoes?
Ito no. Guys, this is the
Bago
shoes.
lang yan.
Ito yung shoes na. Guys, ito daddy oh.
Ano nga?
Ito, hindi ko open. Oh, ano nakuha natin? Ano yan? Ano to?
Box.
Reebok? Ano to? Wait lang.
Shoes.
Gagi pink.
Color pink.
Daddy!
Isa lang?
Hindi, dalawa yun oh.
Wow. Wow, tingin nga ako.
Yun oh. Ito.
Meron pa na-open mo. Kaya ma-open.
Ito? Wala na.
Reebok.
Oo, Reebok. Sakto. Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima.
Ano to?
May card. Yung collector card.
Wow.
Wow.
Ang ganda. Ito, ang ganda din. Tapos natin yung shoes.
Wait lang. Uy.
Saan yung itong mini brand shoes mo?
Ito, lalagay ko siya sa likod ng ano ko. Guys, it's so pretty. Let's see what we can do with this. Sparkling shoes and Reebok. Look at it, guys. Look at it, guys. Wait. Let's look at this. Oh my, guys, yes, look at this, guys. Where's the hat, guys? Guys, look at my drip. It's not dip or drip. It's not drip or drip. It's drip or not drip. Like, see in the comments, drip or not drip. Wow. Gonna put first here. Guys, this one. Bye-bye.